Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of Cinco de Mayo coming up, I wanted to draw a few different Cinco de Mayo things. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an El Bailador and a La Bailadora. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing, let's begin with our La Bailador. So we're going to begin with the face. So let's start right here. And let's begin by drawing a nice little smiley face shape like this. You can see I drew it at a little bit of an angle. This side is going to be just a tiny bit higher than that side. Next, starting here, let's bring this line kind of up and then over to here. And then we're just going to curve this down for the hair. Now, starting here, let's make a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and let's make another circle for an eye right here. Then let's put a little dot inside each one for the pupil. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines for some eyelashes on the side. And then we're going to draw a little line up here and a little line up here for the eyebrows. Then I'm going to make a little bump for the nose. For the mouth, let's draw a nice little smiley face. Then we're going to come down and up for the mouth. We'll do a little curved line across to make the tongue. And then if you want to, just go ahead and take whatever you're using to draw with and just color in the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes up to the hair. And then we'll do the same thing over here for the ears. And then we'll make a little circle shape underneath here for the earrings. Next, starting here, I'm going to make this line come out, and I'm going to put a couple little points on here. Then I'm going to make this line a little wavy as we come up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up, make it kind of wavy. Then let's draw a nice big curved line for our headband. Next, right up here, I'm going to make some little bumpy lines like this so we can make it look like there's lots of flowers on the headbands. We're just going to make some little bumpy lines that come all the way across for some nice little flowers. We'll even put some here. I'll put another one right here at the end. Then right here, I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line just to show that the hair is kind of pulled back. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down and then down here for the neck. And then I'm going to make a curve and then another curve right there. Next, I'm going to draw a line at an angle here, and then a line at an angle over here. And then we're going to curve this line around, and then we'll curve this line around for the hands. Then we'll make a line that comes down and up for the thumb, and another one that goes down and up. Then we're going to bring this line back, and we're going to bring this line back to here. Now, starting here for part of the dress, let's make a nice little smiley face. And then let's make kind of like a bumpy line around here. And we can even make another smiley face right here. Then for the body, let's draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then up. Then let's make a diagonal line like this for part of the dress, and then another one like this. We're going to make a line that comes up and a line that comes up. Then we're just going to make a nice big smiley face shape here for the bottom of the dress. And then for some details, let's add some little bumps right across here. So we're going to make these come right across. And this will just add some nice little detail on our dress. Let's add another little line. So like another big, big smiley face. And then we'll add another smiley face here. And one more. And then right here, let's make like a wavy line that comes across. Then we'll make a little line across for part of the dress. And then we'll make another little bumpy line for some detail. And I'm just going to add some little kind of like circle oval shapes right around here. Then underneath here, I'm just going to make a little bump for a foot with a little curve on top. Then another one here, a little bump, and then a little curve on top. Now, once we have our La Bailadora drawn, let's draw our El Bailador. Now, to start off with him, let's begin over here, and we're going to make like the top of his head. So let's begin right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up for the top of the head. And you can see it's at an angle. Then we're just going to make a line that's just going to come up and down. I'm going to make a circle, and then another circle right here. Then I'm going to put a little dot inside each one. I'm going to make a little bump for the nose. Then I'm going to make a nice line across. And then a line that's going to go down and up. Let's make a curve for the tongue. And then let's just go ahead and take whatever you're using to draw with and just go ahead and color in the mouth. I'm going to make some eyebrows right here, just some like diagonal lines. You can color them in a little bit darker to make them stand out a little more. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a curve for the ear, and then another little curve for the ear. And then I'm just going to bring a little line up for the hair. And I'll make a little bumpy line here for some hair. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and then come in a little bit, and we'll do the same thing here, out and in. Then we're going to make it look like he's wearing a sombrero, so we're going to bring this line out, and we're going to bring this line out. Then I'm going to bring this line up on each side, and then we can curve this across to connect. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we'll bring it down here. And then right across the top of here, let's just make like a little kind of zigzag line for some detail. Then we'll make two curved lines here. And some circle shapes right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up for the neck. And then I'll make like a little rounded shape here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up, and then down and up, kind of like the bow tie on the front. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this down, and we'll come right to her dress. We'll make a little line down. We'll make a small bump and then a curved line around for the hand. And then I'm going to kind of bring this line back to here. We're going to bring this line down, over, and then up. And then we're going to make a line down and then a line down here. We'll make a line that comes across and up. And then for this arm, we're going to bring this down. We're going to go down and then come back into here. We'll make a line, and then we're going to make a bump in that other hand. Now for the feet and legs, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then up. And we'll make a little diagonal line. Then I'm going to bring this line down, over, and then connect to here. We'll curve this line around for the shoe. I'll make a little line across. And then we'll make this one kind of come up. I'll put a little line here. I'm going to make a little line right across the bottom of the pants. And there you go. There is your drawing of some people dancing for the Cinco de Mayo holiday. We have our El Bailador and our La Bailadora. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.